Hello my lovely friends, you're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of applying apple cider vinegar on your face. So guys, I went on this amazing transformation with apple cider vinegar. I applied it on my face for 7 days, and I tell you guys, the result is, so I'm going to be showing you how my face was and how it became after 7 days. So guys, I'm going to be showing you what you're supposed to do and what you are not supposed to do, and all the procedures you're supposed to take on this amazing 7 days journey. If you follow every step, you are gonna get an amazing result. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna be using is apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna be telling you little about apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting apple cider or the unfiltered juice from pressed apples. It has a variety of uses and has become increasingly popular in the natural health community. It's believed to have many health benefits, including lower blood sugar levels, weight loss, and a reduced risk of cancer. But on today's video, I'm going to be showing you the benefits of apple cider vinegar in another dimension, which is in curing acne. What an amazing juice that does amazing things, guys. So I would advise you to sit back and watch this video to the very end, as I'm going to be showing you my 7 days journey from day 1, how it all went down and what I experienced after applying apple cider vinegar. Alright guys, so this is day 1. So you can see how rough my face is looking. I've been stressing myself a lot lately, so as a result I have a little bit of acne, which is very unusual with my face. So I'm just going to show you the transformation after 7 days of applying apple cider vinegar. So this is day 1. I'm going to apply it like a face cleanser, use it to clean my face very well. Most times you have to just try to close your eyes a little bit, because it can really be hot if it gets into your eyes. This is perfect for cleaning the face because vinegar is well known for its ability to kill many types of bacteria and viruses. Alright guys, so you're gonna clean and then wait for 15 minutes before rinsing off. Ta-da! I finished rinsing off my face, guys. Look at how my face is looking. Just this once I've been able to see visible difference. I can't wait to see how day 2 will look like. Alright, so I'm so super excited to show you day 3. This is how my face is looking after day 3. You can see the visible difference. No need to bore you with say the application process. It's just still the same application. You clean your face. Make sure you clean every part of your face before applying, and wait for 15 minutes and then rinse off. So I didn't need to bore you with that all over again. So I'm just gonna be showing you how I rinsed off and my results. So guys, let's talk more about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. In fact, it has been shown to reduce the number of some bacteria by 90% and certain viruses by 95%. A type of bacteria known as Propionibacterium acne contributes to the development of acne. So guys, I'm so super excited that I tried this out, and this is day 3. I can tell you that this is really working. And finally, the 7. Yes, it's the 7, guys. Look at everything, it's finally gone. Look at, I'm just zooming this very close, makeup free, so that you can actually attest to this.
You can compare day 1 and day 7. The difference is visibly, overwhelmingly clear. So guys, go ahead and try this and let me know in the comment section.
Alright guys, so I had to leave my face makeup free so I could show you how apple cider vinegar has transformed my face, removed all the acne from my face, and now I'm still loving my face even without any makeup on. I love my face. Although now I've applied powder, but when I did that I didn't apply anything on my face. Just wanted to see the amazing transformation after 7 days guys. So go and try this out and let me know on the comment section how it worked for you.